Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the Apple Store app on your phone in just few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the search tab at the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar at the top, type Apple Store and tap search. Look for the official Apple Store app has a white icon with a blue back. Tap the get button next to the app. If from enter your Apple ID, password or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm the download. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and install. Once installed, tap open to launch the App Store. Sign in with your Apple ID if required. Now you can browse Apple products, check deals and even buy items directly from your iPhone. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded the Apple Store app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.